the character of one of our allies. Yes, we have so many allies with multiple characters. Fortunately, fortunately for us, we are alive to their situation, which is why, as leaders, we cannot ignore these young people. Like I said earlier on, these are young and talented people that have been ignored by society. In fact, their exhibition over the weekend is a confirmation of the fact that they have been ignored and therefore they chose their own way. I'm here to inform you that we are not going to give up on them. We are not going to give up on Mr. Murwana and others like him. We have a history of rescuing his ilk, and some of them have turned into very important citizens. He will not be the first to be rescued. No, we have rescued many of his ilk. Some have even assumed very important national offices. So please be assured that we are not going to give up on him. We fully understand his challenges. That's why we endeavor. When we said we are going to work with him, we are not promising to work with him on an event. No, we're not preparing a festival with him. It's a wrong haul because they have been at it for years. They are a lost generation. You cannot change a generational tide in one day. I want to assure the nation that we are not going to give up on these young citizens. We owe them a duty of care to make sure that they actually overcome their current troubles and be noble citizens. That's when they will benefit from their latent talent. I commit.